Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart Tech, the channel where we explore how technology, science, and innovation are shaping our world. Today's topic is literally life-changing. We're diving into the world of terrific health technologies that are transforming medicine faster than ever before. From AI doctors to nanorobots inside your bloodstream, the future of healthcare is already here, and it's incredible. So let's explore how tech is making us healthier, smarter, and stronger. First up, digital healthcare. In just the past few years, healthcare has shifted from hospitals to our homes. Thanks to smartwatches, fitness bands, and health tracking apps, doctors can now monitor your heart rate, sleep patterns, and oxygen levels in real time without you even visiting a clinic. AI-powered tools like Apple Health, Fitbit, and Google Fit collect data that helps doctors detect diseases before symptoms even appear. This is called preventive healthcare, using data and artificial intelligence to stop diseases before they start. Next, we have AI in healthcare, one of the biggest revolutions in modern medicine. AI can analyze millions of medical records, scan X-rays or MRIs, and detect diseases faster and more accurately than human doctors in some cases. For example, Google's DeepMind AI can identify eye diseases and cancer tumors that even experienced doctors can miss. In hospitals, AI helps with predictive diagnosis, robot-assisted surgeries, and drug discovery, saving time, cost, and lives. And here's the best part. AI doesn't get tired, biased, or distracted. It learns, improves, and evolves. Now, let's shrink things down, literally. Nanotechnology in medicine is one of the most exciting innovations. Scientists are developing nanobots that can travel through your bloodstream, detect infections, and even deliver drugs directly to cancer cells without harming healthy tissue. These nanobots act like tiny doctors inside your body, performing surgery at the molecular level. In the future, we could use them to repair organs, remove blood clots, or even clean arteries. Imagine no more chemotherapy side effects, no invasive surgeries, just smart nanosystems healing you from within. Here's another mind-blowing health technology: 3D bioprinting. Scientists can now use bioinks made from living cells to print human tissues and organs like skin, bones, and even hearts. This technology could end the global shortage of organ donors. Instead of waiting months or years for a transplant, doctors might one day print an organ perfectly matched to your DNA right in the hospital lab. Companies like Organovo and Cellink are already printing mini organs for testing. Drugs a huge leap for both healthcare and pharmaceutical industries. Now let's talk about robotic surgery. Precision, speed, and safety all in one. Modern hospitals use robotic systems like the Da Vinci surgical robot that assists surgeons in performing complex operations with millimeter accuracy. These robots can make smaller incisions, reduce recovery time, and minimize human error. In the near future, remote robotic surgeries where a doctor operates on a patient thousands of miles away will become completely normal. AI plus robotics equals the future of surgery. And if you think that's futuristic, wait till you hear this. Projects like Neuralink are developing brain-computer interfaces that connect the human brain directly to computers. This could help paralyzed patients control robotic limbs or restore vision. And then there's CRISPR gene editing, the technology that allows scientists to edit our DNA. It could one day remove genetic diseases like sickle cell anemia or cancer permanently. This is not sci-fi anymore. This is happening now. So these are just a few of the terrific health technologies shaping the future of medicine. From nanobots in your veins to AI doctors, 3D printed organs, even gene-edited humans. We are entering a world where technology can literally save lives. What do you think? Which of these innovations excites you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you loved this breakdown, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Tech for more videos on the future technologies, AI, and science that's changing the world. Until next time, stay curious, stay healthy, and keep exploring the future with Smart Tech.